And welcome back to another behind the brand video. It's been a bit of a while since I filmed one of these, but I'm really keen to get back into it and just share a little bit of, I guess, the behind the scenes of what it's like to run my small handmade label Rosary Apparel. Today I'm not going to be working on anything rosary related, however, but instead I'm going to be making a few pieces for myself for once. As mentioned in previous videos, I work part-time in a fabric shop, and some of the perks of working in a fabric shop are: one, being surrounded by all the beautiful fabrics every day and constantly being inspired of new things to make. And two, when we get to the end of a bolt, we often remnant the remainder of the fabric and sell it for a really heavily discounted price. And this week while I was at work, I managed to pick up this pile of fabric here. So I was really lucky to find not one, but two remnants of each of these fabrics. Because of that, I have quite a substantial amount of fabric here to work with, but this whole pile probably cost me about $8 to buy. And there is enough fabric here to make an entire outfit. So let me give you a little look at this fabric. The first one I found is this beautiful floral rayon fabric in these lovely, I don't know, brightly coloured flowers, but they're all very much my colours. So like blues and rust and burnt orange colours. I have about 2 meters of this fabric with the two remnants. The next one I found was this beautiful rust linen colour, which if you've watched my previous couple of behind the brand videos, you'll know I've already bought this fabric previous at full price and made myself one of my hazel dresses, which I'll leave a picture of that on the screen now. So yeah, I managed to pick up two remnants of this beautiful fabric as well. And I'm just really inspired by how these fabrics look together. The rust colour is kind of in the floral print of this rayon, so together I think it looks really nice. And in this video, I'm going to hopefully show you the process of making, yeah, an entire outfit out of these 4 pieces of fabric here. That cost me around less than $10 to purchase. So let me show you what I have planned. Here's what I kind of have planned. With the rust linen fabric, I am going to make a cute little blouse with kind of, I think they're called balloon sleeves. They're kind of really large puffy sleeves with the gathering down at the cuff. I think that's going to look really cute and something I've wanted to add to my wardrobe for a while. As for the floral, I'm tossing up between a really cool tiered gathered dress or a jumpsuit. And with the blouse underneath, I think it could look really cute. Because I know what I want to do with the linen, the rust linen fabric, I'm going to start with that. So cue a time lapse of me cutting out the blouse. So I popped a little poll up on Instagram stories to try to help me pick whether I should make a dress or a jumpsuit. At the moment, if you can see, jumpsuit is winning by a landslide. So I'll keep you posted on how that goes, but that's good because I honestly couldn't choose. So now Instagram's gonna help me. A new episode of Who the Hell is the Hamish came out this morning, so I'm just gonna pop that on and cut out this blouse. The day kind of ended in a bit of a sewing blur, but we spent the afternoon going for a little walk, and while we were on it we took some photos of my padded headband that I made. I shared a tutorial on how to make these. If you did want to go check it out, it will be linked below. So it's a few days later now. I'm actually not feeling the greatest today, which is kind of good because it's the perfect excuse to not leave the house at all today and just spend the whole day sewing. I'm also wearing this beautiful mustard hand knitted jumper that my mum made me, and it's just so cozy. It's been absolutely freezing here the last week or so, so this jumper is the perfect thing for snuggling up in when you're not feeling the greatest. So the last few clips that I shot for this video were of me making the blouse, which has turned out really good actually. I'll show you it in a bit more detail in a second. And so now today I'm going to make the piece that's going to go with the blouse. I asked Instagram whether I should make a dress or a jumpsuit, and jumpsuit won by a landslide. So today I'm going to be making a jumpsuit to go with the blouse. Here it is. I still need to do the buttons. I haven't done the buttonholes or sewed the buttons on, but that's the last step of what I have to do. I really wanted to make the blouse with these, they're called balloon sleeves, so they're kind of big sleeves that are gathered at the cuff, and I made these cute little ties to go around the cuff, and I'm so happy with how they've turned out. I just think they're the cutest thing and something a little bit different that I don't have in my wardrobe at all at the moment. So now I am just going to cut out the jumpsuit. I'm kind of making this jumpsuit pattern up as I go because I want to make it so it will look good with blouses underneath. So I'm kind of using just a thin strap design, and hopefully it will look good with the blouse. But yeah, I'll give you little sneak peeks of how it's progressing along the way. Jumpsuit is cut and ready to sew. I'm going to start with the bodice with those cute little frilled straps, so I will update you when that is done. The bodice is complete. Let me give you some close-ups of these cute ruffles. I'm just going to take a break for lunch now, and then we'll get started on the pants. Sometimes all you need when you're sick is just a bowl of leftover spag bowl for lunch. I think this outfit is so cute. I still need to do the buttons on the shirt, but I kind of just want to try it on first just to see how it's all looking. So this is the outfit on. Kind of love it. So here you can see it a little bit better. It actually reminds me of something that Princess Highway or Dangerfield would come out with, except this is a ethical handmade version and only cost me $8 in fabric, which is always good. But yeah, pretty happy with that. So I hope you enjoyed seeing a little bit of the making process of this outfit. It was a lot of fun to film actually, the whole process from start to finish. I really love that, it's really satisfying. I also shared some snippets over on my Instagram stories, and I'm going to save them as a highlight, so I'll leave a link to my Instagram down below if you'd like to check those out as well. But yeah, I think that's enough sewing for one day. I do still need to do these buttonholes. I will get around to them, I promise. It's just, yeah, the buttons and the buttonholes of the blouses is probably my least favourite part. For the rest of the day, I think I might just do some knitting. I've started knitting myself a cardigan, and yeah, I think that will be a perfect way to end the day. I'm still not feeling the greatest. I don't know if you can tell, my voice is still a little bit croaky, so yeah, I think I'm going to take it easy for the rest of the day.